If you're seeing a Lucidchart authentication error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. This is especially useful if Lucidchart won't sign you in, keeps looping on the login screen, or throws an authentication message over and over again. We'll start with the easiest checks first, then move into browser settings, extensions, network issues, and finally the correct login method. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, test Lucidchart in an incognito or private window. This is one of the fastest ways to tell whether the issue is coming from your browser cache, cookies, or an extension. If you're using Chrome or Edge on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N together. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. If you're using Safari, go to File and then choose New Private Window. Once the private window opens, go to the Lucid login page and try signing in again. If it works here, that usually means your normal browser session has stored data that's interfering with authentication. If Incognito does not fix it, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. In Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then Open Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security and click Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time so you remove older stored data that may be causing the problem. Make sure to select cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. Then click Delete Data and restart your browser completely before trying again. A fresh browser session often fixes sign-in problems instantly. While you're still in your browser settings, you should also allow third-party cookies for Lucidchart. Authentication services often rely on cookies to keep you signed in properly, and if those cookies are blocked, the login can fail. In Chrome, open Settings again, go to Privacy and Security, then click Third-party cookies. You can choose to allow third-party cookies globally, or if you want a more secure option, add an exception for lucid.co. After that, refresh the Lucid login page and try signing in once more. This small change can make a big difference. Now let's check browser extensions. Ad blockers, password managers, and privacy tools can sometimes interfere with the authentication process. To test this, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your browser and open the Extensions Manager. Temporarily disable extensions like AdBlock, uBlock Origin, NordPass, Bitwarden, or any other privacy or security extension you have installed. Then reload the Lucid login page and try again. If login works after disabling an extension, you've found the cause. You can re-enable extensions one by one later to figure out which one is conflicting. If you still can't sign in, the next thing to check is your network connection. First, disconnect from any VPN if you're using one. VPNs can sometimes trigger security checks or block the authentication flow entirely. After turning it off, refresh the login page and try again. If the issue continues, switch to a different internet connection if possible. A mobile hotspot is a great quick test because it lets you see whether your normal network is causing the problem. If Lucidchart works on another network, then the issue is likely coming from your router, firewall, or internet provider settings. Another very important step is to make sure you are using the correct login method. If you originally created your Lucid account using Google, Microsoft, or Apple Sign-In, you need to use the same option again. Go back to the Lucid sign-in page and select the exact method you used when the account was created. For example, choose Continue with Google, Continue with Microsoft, or Continue with Apple. Don't switch to a different login method unless you already linked it to your account. Using the wrong method is a very common reason people think their account is broken when it's really just a sign-in mismatch. So to recap, if Lucidchart is giving you an authentication error, start with an incognito window, clear your cache and cookies, allow third-party cookies, disable conflicting extensions, check your network and VPN, and then verify you're using the correct login method. One of these fixes usually solves the issue. If this tutorial helped you get back into Lucidchart, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting videos. And if you're still having problems, leave a comment below with the exact error message you're seeing is, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.